Hi, I'm Mary. Welcome to Daywind. Have you ever thought about making your own CD with the Daywind soundtrack? It's very easy to do. First, let's talk about making it legal. All Daywind soundtracks are copyrighted and protected by law. You cannot record with a Daywind track for any reason without first obtaining a lease. Some people think that they can make a CD without a lease, as long as they do not sell it. Some also think that they do not need a lease if they only make a small amount for family and friends. This is not true. It is illegal. You may be fined up to $150,000 for recording without a lease. Leasing is easy and inexpensive, right, Rick?
Each month, Daywind spends thousands of dollars recording new music tracks with Nashville's top musicians. Now imagine having the benefit of recording with these tracks for as little as $165 with your master lease. You will also need a mechanical license from the publisher. We will provide you that information absolutely free. The average cost of a mechanical license is about 10 cents per copy. So you see, it doesn't cost much to be legal.
Hey, I have an idea. Why don't you record with us at Daywind in Nashville? Let's meet the team.
Hi, I'm Justin Krupp, Studio Manager and Staff Engineer here at Daywind. We'd love to have you come record with us.
Hi, I'm Marty Funderburk, and I'm a songwriter and producer here at Daywind. I'll be here to help capture your very best performance, and you'll be amazed at how easy it is and how good you'll sound.
Hi, I'm Tyrone Dickerson, producer here at Daywind Music, and I'd love the opportunity to assist you in taking your music to the next level.
Hi, I'm Terry Franklin with Heart for the World and formerly with the Gaither Vocal Band, and I'm a producer-singer here at Daywind. Hey, I'd like to work with you on your next project here at Daywind in Nashville.
Hey, I'm Micah Schweinsberg. This is my father, Rick. If your music has a modern country or a rock edge, let us produce it at Daywind.
Hi, I'm Rick Shelton, Vice President of Music Publishing here at Daywind Music. Where do you find your song? The exclusive staff of writers of Daywind Music Publishing. No matter the style, no matter the genre, we would love to help you find your song.
You can do this. Why don't you call us today?
Come on, book your session today.
We're ready. Come to Nashville.
Come on down to Nashville. Let's get started.
Okay, so there you have it. Why don't you record with us at Daywind?
What are you waiting for? Come on over to Daywind.